This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from Fanhome.com. I'd like to please pop along to their website and see all of the other build-up part works that they have to offer, as well as other collections of collectible things. I would like to thank Fanhome for providing me with the part work so I can produce these videos for your enjoyment and educational needs. If you'd like to build one of your own, pop along to fanhome.com. They're available in many countries worldwide. If you do want to build one, leave a note in the comments to let me know how you're getting on, and let me know how I'm getting on as well. I'd like feedback of all types. So thank you once more to Fanhome for providing me with this kit. I hope you enjoy the build. Let's get on with it. This is Gross Models. Welcome to stage 85 of building Eleanor. In this issue we're doing much the same as we did a couple back, but with the other side, the other left side firewall, the engine bulkhead. But this one hasn't got a battery box. This one has a speaker. So first of all we're going to attach the speaker. That goes on there with the wires coming out the back. That will go over the top like so. And we need 2 screws to hold that in place. These need to be the 05 screws. So I'm going to delve into my pack of screws that I've already got. There's an 05, 8, 12. There's another 05. So there we go. Saves opening another packet. I'll keep the whole packet safe for next time. So we'll get rid of the empties from that. This will hold that on, and that will hold the other side on. I'm going to need another one, aren't I? Yes, I'm going to need to open the packet anyway, because I need another 05 for the next bit. But he got rid of a couple of empty ones anyway, and there's an 02. Not very clear, a lot of the labelling on these packets. But there you go. There's another 05. And that one I need because that's going to hold this in there again. The bit that the piston goes into, and indeed the bit that the spring goes around the outside of. So that goes in there like that. Then I need to bring in the body and get this bit attached again, which is going to be another complete pain. So before I do that, let me just figure out we need the pin and that to get in there. Then that goes on the top, and then it's more 05s to hold that together. So let's get 2 more of those out, and we'll see if I can do this live on camera. It might happen, you never know. Stranger things have happened. There we go, that's 2 more of those out. So let's move things over to one side, get that ready on there. I'm going to need that to get the pin in place. Right, I think I am prepared. So let's bring the car up. We've done this side, we're doing this side now. So again, we've got a pin that goes in there, like that, with that in the middle. If I can get things lined up properly. Some access. That in there, through there, and then pushed home. There we go, that's that. Then we need the tricky bit. So we need to get the spring, which is around here somewhere. Can't even see it on camera. There we go. So the spring goes over that. which then goes over that, and then these 3 holes on this one line up through there. That's the post through the spring, and somehow it goes into that bar that we just attached to this bulkhead. Not like that. Maybe if I can grab it through the spring. That feels like that might be it. So yes, we've got 1 screw extra one at the front to hold that radiator down. So no, I'm not going to be able to do this on camera because I need to get myself in the right angles to do things. If I can get one of those lined up like that, take the other screw with us, just want the one. That should go down there. Great. So I need to get 2 more screws in there and then the other ones in on the side of this like that, like we did on the other side over here. So let me get the rest of these screws in and then we'll have a look at it, how it looks when it's almost completed. There we go. These screws are actually the O2 screws. It's the O5 at the front. But that's all those in now attached. Again, I've got another wire coming out the back here to go somewhere at some point. But for now, we'll just leave them hanging around loose. And that is that. That's the 2 sides fitted. There's one more bit to do on this, which is a bracket that goes across to hold the 2 sides sort of better together. And that's that. So that's next time. I'll see you soon for that. Thanks for watching. Stay safe. Bye-bye for now.